Hi, hello everyone. This is RK. Welcome back to my channel Bytecode with RK. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For notifications, click on bell icon. In today's session, we will discuss one of the most important concept of the Java8 features, Lambda Expressions. Let's see what is Lambda Expression, where do we use it, and how we will use the Lambda Expressions in real time. Lambda Expression is a anonymous function or a short block of code, which means it doesn't have any function name, but you can see the only body. It's similar to the static blocks in the Java, so those are called the Lambda expressions. Generally Lambda expressions are used with the functional interfaces only. What is functional interface? Functional interface means an interface having single abstract method can have any number of default or static methods. Is nothing but the functional interface. For now, just remember what is functional interface. A functional interface is an interface like normal interface, but only having single abstract method and can have any number of static or default methods. Then those interfaces are called the functional interface, and these Lambda expressions, right, mostly used for the functional interfaces only. What it will do means it will provide the implementation for the abstract method in a functional interface. Means, as I said, a functional interface having single abstract, right? So for the single abstract method, the Lambda expressions provide the implementation to it. There are multiple ways to represent a Lambda expression. If you see the 6 point, this is like the syntax for the Lambda expressions is, the first one is it doesn't take any parameters. If you see here, here you can represent all the arguments that you want to pass. Okay, here you will write the logic within the curly braces. So if you see here, since it doesn't have any parameters, so this is empty arguments, empty parameters or arguments, and it's having couple of statements inside the curly braces. So empty with empty parameters and can have multiple statements. And if you see the next point, you can see here you are passing single parameter. Param1 is the single parameter. So this way also, so within the curly braces you are passing single parameter, and then you are writing singular. You can write a couple of statements also. And the third one is, if it is a single parameter, right, from the third point is also similar to the first point only. Either you can write this way, in single parameter within the parentheses followed by the arrow mark and then curly braces. Within that curly braces we have some statements, but you can write like this also, the same. If it is a single parameter, you can ignore the parentheses, left and right parentheses. Here if you see here, I have written only parameters without the parentheses, left and right parentheses, and followed by arrow mark, and then single statement means you can ignore this one also, curly braces of the logic. So these two are similar, and either you can follow this way or you can follow this way. The next one is write with data type also. So now this param1 is of some data type. If you see here data type, you can mention the data type and then a parameter followed by arrow mark and then a couple of statements. So this is another way of representing Lambda expressions with data type. The next one is single parameter, means curly parentheses not required. So that's why I have written param1 as a single parameter, so without parentheses, followed by couple of statements. Here if you see here, single parameter and single statement, a single parameter and single statement without the parentheses and curly braces, single parameter with multiple statements that I have, that's why I have written curly braces. So if it is a single statement means I can ignore the curly braces, left and right curly braces. Is writing to more than one statement, that's why I have written the curly braces. So the third one is multiple parameters. So param1, param2, two parameters it is accepting, that's why I have written parentheses here and here, left and right parentheses. So and then followed by arrow mark and then a couple of statements within the curly braces. So this is the way to represent the Lambda expression. The first one is empty parameters with couple of statements, and single parameter with single statement, single parameter with single statement without curly braces and parentheses. And the third one is a single parameter couple of statements, but parameter which includes data type also. And the third one is single parameter with multiple statements, and multiple parameters multiple statements, or you can write single statement also. So this is all about the theoretical part of the lambda expressions. Let's see the practical implementation of the same in the next session. Thank you all.